welcome guys. Welcome back to another workshop dito sa Boss R General Upholstery, no? So before anything else, would like to thank Bethesda Clothing Store for providing me yung Macbeth shirts natin, no? Sila ang authorized provider ng Macbeth shirts dito sa Caloocan. They cover up to San Jose del Monte sa kabuong Caloocan. So Bethesda Store, thank you very much. And also I would like to thank Isla Bada dito sa aking mga mabagong damit, no? Isla Bada located at Pexonville, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And last but not the least, shout out to my store, no, yung Foamtastic General Upholstery Supplies. So kung kailangan nyo ng quality upholstery supplies, mga leather, foam, and anything about upholstery, just go visit our shop dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, along Pexonville lang din, sa almost in front of SM San Jose del Monte. So Foamtastic. So guys, and also before anything else, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also please do hit also the notification bell to give you some updates kung ano na nangyayari or the latest trends dito sa ating mga projects sa Boss R General Upholstery. So again, meron tayong bagong project. This time, hindi siya yung sofa set na the usual natin na ginagawa dito. It's more on the restoration of a dining set. So thank you very much. By the way, shout out kay Ma'am B. Siya yung nagbigay ng project sa atin, at saka kay Paring Je. Thank you for giving us a project, for continuous providing us yung opportunity kahit ngayong pandemic. So nga pala, ayun si Counselor. Ayun, may ginagawa kami bagong project. So this new project again, kukwento ko yan sa next vlog namin. So this is a personalized sofa set. Maganda yung design nito. Okay, so again, itong project na to is very challenging, no? Dining set, kasi we really have to do varnish. So i-restore namin yung medyo nagde-dilapidate na dining set, and also we really have to replace yung ano niya, yung seat cover. Counselor Kawai. Ayan. Okay, ang ating kusina, si Counselor. Wala yung ibang cast, medyo busy yung ibang tropa. This time, hindi siya yung sofa set na the usual natin na ginagawa dito. It's more on the restoration of a dining set. So thank you very much. By the way, shout out kay Ma'am B. Siya yung nagbigay ng project sa atin, at saka kay Paring Je. Thank you for giving us a project, for continuous providing us yung opportunity kahit ngayong pandemic. So nga pala, ayun si Counselor. Ayun, may ginagawa kami bagong project. So well, I hope sana magustuhan nyo yung next project, and makita nyo kung ano talaga yung ginawa namin, at para makita nyo rin yung pagbabago doon sa dining set natin. So we don't usually do also yung upholstery, but kinikater din namin yung mga varnishing or restoration ng mga woodworks. Alright? So tara guys, samahan nyo ako.
Okay, nandito ako sa storage area namin. Kung saan namin nilagay yung next project. We have this dining table na i-restore. Pagaganday namin. Medyo dilapidated na yung varnish niya, yung pinaka-surface. So we are hired to restore their dining set, and also sets of chairs. So tables and chairs. Tara, samahan nyo kung pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng current condition ng dining table. Let's go. So as I said earlier, guys, ito yung condition ng table niya. So ito yung paa. Medyo yan. Medyo nag-ano na siya. May marks na nagde-dilapidate na yung nawawala na yung first coating niya actually. So etong mga stains dito, parang nawala na ng varnish, so nawala na ng coating. Ayusin namin to, i-restore namin to. Ito yung ilalim niya. So pretty evident na yung coating niya talaga. Ayan, nagta-tarnish na. Well, I hope si Consular na may magawang paraan para ma-restore to. Kasi yung challenge namin sa kanya is pagandahin ulit ito. Ibalik yung dating alindog ng dining set na ito. So, bukod sa dining set, meron din itong kasamang center table. Ayan yung center table, guys. Okay. So, medyo madilim lang kasi nandito ako sa aking storage area. Ayan. Ito pala yung pinaka table piece. O, ito yung pinaka surface ng table. Ayan. So medyo may mga stain na rin dito banda. May mga watermarks. So nawawala na rin yung yung coating niya. Ayan. So ayan, malaking table ito bale. As you can see. So ito po yung i-restore ni Counselor. Well, I hope we could meet up the challenge to this one sana matapos namin. We are only given I think 10 days, 10 working days to finish this project. Well, let's see kung anong kayang gawin ni Consular para dito. Okay, may the force be with us. Sit back and relax and wait until we do something surprising for this project. Okay guys, tara, enjoy. This is the dining set na ginagawa namin ngayon. As you can see, deteriorated na talaga. Medyo marami ng scratch mark and also yung mga stains. So yan yung tatanggalin namin with with this project. Sabi ni Consular, kaya-kaya daw niya itong buhayin. So tingnan natin kung hanggang saan talaga ang power ni Consular. Kumubuhay talaga siya ng dining set. Ayan. Bale, 6 pieces itong dining chair na to. May kasama tong table. So, we'll work this out. So finally, natapos din yung dining set na ginagawa namin. And very thankful kay Consular, and also nagtumawag ako ng backup din, si Michael Porto. Michael, thank you very much. So kung gusto nyo makontak, ito yung details niya. Ayan. Okay, siya yung isa sa pinakamagaling na barnisador at pintor dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Medyo hindi ko na nakuhanan yung yung pinaka finished product kasi medyo busy at saka nag-uulan this past few days, no. Ito na lang yung latest update.
Okay, so kung gusto niyo na makita guys, eto na. 1, 2, 3. Ito siya. Yan. So guys, ayan na yung na finished product namin. Nadala na rin, na-deliver na rin namin sa aming client. So for those who are interested to restore your dining set or any woodworks and lagyan namin ng upholstery, please do message us on our FB page, Boss R General Upholstery. So we are gladly to assist you para ibalik alindog ang kung ano man ang dapat i-restore sa inyo, mga sofa set man or dining set. Okay, so thank you very much. Until the next project guys, keep safe and God bless. Bye-bye!